Your mind determines your health. The subconscious mind exerts a great amount of influence upon both sickness and health. Some bodily activities are controlled by conscious thought, such as when you think about raising your arm, it moves exactly as you want it to. However, the vast majority of bodily functions are carried out subconsciously. Would you be able to cause your blood to circulate by thinking about it? No, of course not. Nor could you coordinate your heart's beating through any form of conscious thought. Breathing, too, is an automatic process. While you are able to regulate your breathing, and while you have the power to consciously decide when and whether to breathe, under normal circumstances the body breathes on its own. Thus, many of the various body parts and cells operate in a realm outside of your consciousness. The subconscious controls most of the regions of your bodies. Although many of you are surprisingly unaware of this fact, the regions of the body which are controlled by the subconscious have much more of an effect on your sickness and health than do the regions which you are free to move about as you wish. According to your conscious thoughts, the human body has a multitude of cells, like the number of stars in the sky. From the point of view of one of those cells, or of another microorganism living within the body, an internal organ is as vast as the galaxy. The swarm of living things within a human body is a confederation of separate life. The power to create disease is also working in the realm of our subconscious. If, for example, we have negative thoughts within our surface consciousness, these ideas will sink deeply, like sediment, down into the depths of our subconscious. Then, they will become thought clouds of disease. When these ideas of disease become present in the physical body, they are manifested as cancer and other disorders of the body's array of organs and tissues. There is a host of different diseases. Sickness attacks the liver, heart, lungs, kidneys, blood vessels, the brain, and so forth, but most of these sicknesses are the products of bad thoughts emitted over the decades, which have sunk deeply into our subconscious. The subconscious has the power to make the physical body. When this power is misapplied, it can work towards destroying the self. Failure to understand this point can result in falling prey to disease. The process outlined above usually causes cancer. Because cancer is a state in which the body is harboring cells which are actively seeking to destroy the body, it stands to reason that cancer must be caused by the patient having some sort of self-destructive bent of thought lodged deep within the mind. Moreover, in most cases, this comes about because of hatred or fear. If you have been cruelly mistreated or horribly discriminated against in the past, then there is a good chance that you have bottled up a great deal of emotions such as hatred and anger within your heart. When these kinds of emotions accumulate, they become thought clouds of disease, eventually breeding cells within the body whose mission is to destroy the body. However, if you have the power to create destructive cells, then you must also have the power to cure sickness. In other words, if you focus on thoughts that are the opposite of destructiveness, then the power to heal illnesses will begin to work.